Welcome to our channel. In today's video we will explore front door step design idea. The front steps of a house are not just a functional element, they are the first impression of your home. A beautifully designed sets of steps can enhance your entrance, add charm to your property, and create a welcoming feel for guests. So let's dive into the world of front door step design, their material, styles, and useful tips to choose the best one of your home. Importance of front door step design. Front door steps are often overlooked, but they play a very important role. First impression, they set the tone for your entire house. Safety and functionality. Good design prevent accident and ensure easy entry. Curb appeal. Stylish steps make your home look more elegant and inviting. Property value. A well designed entrance increases the market value of your home. Front doors steps are more than just a pathway to your entrance. They reflect your personality, lifestyle, and design taste. Whether you choose stone, wood, concrete, or a modern floating design, the key is to balance beauty, safety, and durability. A well designed front step create a warm welcome, add elegance to your home, and make your entrance memorable. So which front door step design did you like the most? Stone, wood, concrete, or floating style? Tell us in the comments below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home design ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Allah Hafiz.